Hi, how do you get all the project members that Leo is involved in? Now, for example, here you can see that Leo is involved in banana and Leo is also involved in the chicken project, right? Now, thing is that not only interested in showing which project that Leo involved, but also in that project, who else is in that project that Leo involved. So you can see that in banana would be this. In the chicken project, right, it will be this. So let's have to do it. So first we convert that into a table, Excel table, and then we go to from table range. Okay, then next is that we create a new parameter, and this is project employee name, and we use text type. So you can put there anything you like. So next, from the original table, we right click, choose reference. We create a table referring to this, right? So they are at the first, they are exactly the same. Now we're going to change from here. In the query, we're going to change it to lookup table. And here, we click on this equals. Here we change it to parameter by the employment name. So we do a filter whatever based on whatever is stated here. Now if I change it to Leo, and this lookup table will change to Leo. Finally, we create one more table, and this we call it definer report. Over here, we do a merge query. So look up this and this. But to join kite, we use the right outer. This is the right outer join. So we want to list every project, right, that's involved with that is matching here, right? So if there is banana, right, it will list out here, right? So if there is a chickens, it will list down. So there you are. So we listed this, but if it's a orange, it doesn't match with this. So then, um, you see, it doesn't list the one on this file report. So orange will not be listed, but banana will, right? And when it does match, right, it doesn't care which employee is, right? It will just show if it does match, and that's exactly what we want, right? So everything from the right, the matching the first one. So everything, right? So there are banana and chicken. So we matching it. Everything, every time match, I want it. So click OK. That's it. So got this. Now this local table is not really interested now. Or just right click, choose, remove, and that's it. That's how you get a Power Query. Thank you. Right. Remember, think amazing. Believe you're amazing. You can do amazing thing by learning it one day at a time. You can be a master in your industry. Thank you.